Automatic pet food weighing filling machine. This machine ensures accurate and consistent filling for pet food products. It is suitable for dry foods, granules, and nutritional powders. Fully automatic suction cap press capping machine. The machine automatically picks and presses caps with stable force, ensuring secure sealing and high production efficiency. This round bottle labeling machine applies labels smoothly and accurately, creating a clean and professional product appearance. The cap top labeling system adds brand or safety stickers on bottle caps, enhancing product identification and market value. Finally, the water-cooled electromagnetic induction. The sealing machine forms a strong aluminum foil seal, protecting pet food freshness and extending shelf life. Factory direct supply. Contact us for a complete pet food packaging solution.